Good morning, everyone! Welcome to the crypt that is my apartment.
I vlog every day till Christmas for you.
It's very dark right now, and we have a little meower here. I think somebody wants breakfast. Who's a happy camper now? I think the TheGridMonster is. Time to feed myself now. I'm still kind of waking up here. And I don't know if you guys can see, but that lipstick that I was wearing yesterday, it's still kind of on my lips. I don't know why. It's like the one lipstick, and it's not even supposed to be like a super long wearing lipstick, but this is the only lip product that I have where the next day it's still on my lips, like it stained my lips. And this is after using a makeup removing oil and a makeup wipe, like scrubbing my lips. But I actually kind of like it because it just leaves this really pretty stain behind. So the next day I'm like, okay, my lips are this color and I'm not gonna fight it. So here are some of the things I got yesterday from a friend, and then I actually got this from Chris. He got this at work and then gave it to me. Look!
Hello, are you my family?
And then my friend is so awesome because he knows I love Australian coffee. It is like my favorite. Random fact, I gravitate towards Australian coffee shops unintentionally. This is something that just happens very naturally. And every time I find a favorite coffee shop in like whatever city I'm in, it usually always ends up being an Australian coffee shop, and I am all about them. There's just something about their coffee that tastes so good. So I am very excited about this. This is a huge bag because he said that he couldn't get a smaller one. And since these are whole beans and I don't have a grinder, he got me a grinder, which I've actually been wanting because I always buy whole beans and then I forget to grind them at the store. Normally when I make coffee from beans like this, I use a French press. So this is my French press here. I actually want to get the smaller one that's for like 1 to 2 servings, but for now I have the big boy. And then I have my Nespresso, which I normally use at nighttime now to make decaf coffee just because, you know, it's fast and easy. I ground up the coffee. It smells amazing. So I'm going to be putting it in the French press now. And I made the grounds a little bit coarser because I have been told that that is better for French press. So that way they don't slip through the little filter here, because I have used super fine coffee before and then you get like little chunks in the bottom of your cup. Time to pour the coffee in. Very excited about this. It smells so good. I figured this would be the perfect mug because it says filled with joy and caffeine. I saw this at Target and I was like, that's basically me. I need that. My oatmeal is ready to eat. Same thing as yesterday. Lots of milk, smashed banana in there, a little bit of cinnamon, honey, and some pomegranates over the top. I have my coffee, my water, Good Morning America on. I'm gonna put that stuff in my belly right now. Snuggalicious! Are you feeling nuggalicious today? Oh, I think you are. You just can't control. He doesn't even know. He's like, I just can't stop rolling. Look at that one. Oh, I just want to lay in your fluff all day. Oh, say hello. Say hello. It is just after 9:30 and I am all dressed and ready to go today. I also just tweeted that I'm almost out of bronzer and want to get a new one I've never tried before. So I am waiting for you guys. You are already sending in lots of recommendations. You can see them coming in. I'm actually using Hoola bronzer right now and I'm almost out. Like, I have a very tiny bit left. Hopefully I will be able to make a stop today and restock a couple things. I need lotion, concealer, and bronzer. So those are the 3 things that are on my list. There might be more because I feel like there's one more thing, but I can't remember what it is. But I'm supposed to shoot with Joey today, so I just want to get this video finished and uploaded. And then I get to meet Wolf for the first time. I have been stalking Joey online because Wolf is so stinking cute. I completely changed my outfit because I tried to put my jacket on since it's raining outside, and it would not go on over my chunky sweater. This Madewell top. And then these leggings from Zara, and I like them because they have these leather panels on the inside. And this jacket, which is pretty thin, so it's not like a puffer jacket or anything, but it's water resistant, so I like wearing it when it's wet outside. And then I have my super weird umbrella that I got in New York City. Maybe you will see this when I actually use it outside because I don't want to open it up, but it has a really cool shape to it, and it's supposed to be a sturdy umbrella. I got it from a store called Story in New York City, which is my favorite store in the entire city. It is amazing. I gotta get going because Joey and Wolf are waiting for me. Just kidding. I'm still gathering my stuff here, but Casey is going to be watching over Nugget while I'm gone. Right, Casey?
Yes.
You and Nugget are gonna
good
be...
at animals.
It legit looks like it's like 7 o'clock right now because it's so dark. It is not even 1 o'clock in the afternoon yet. So Nugget is frolicking around somewhere in the apartment. Don't know what he's getting into, but he's been staring out the window, actually just fascinated by the rain. So I have my laptop here, my weird umbrella, my camera in my hand, gotta grab my phone and purse, and then we can actually go. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. Guess where I am? Look who it is!
Yeah.
It's Grandfather. Oh my god, Grandfather.
Chipmunk outside, and I took him inside, and he's mine now.
Yay!
Look, it's
here.
Wolfie. Oh my gosh, this is my first time meeting Wolf, guys, and I'm so excited. Look how
Yep.
cute he
He's
is.
the best boy in the whole world, and he has 2 different color eyes. Oh, okay. He wants to get down.
He's crazy. He's been jumping around. Chewy is around here somewhere. Chewy just, Chewy's like,
Oh, Chewy's such a camera.
He has to make a grand entrance. He's like, wait.
Princeton, like you
Yeah.
called.
Oh yeah, he did make you some tea. Look at that.
With a sweater.
Megan and I just realized we have the same mug. Oh! It looks like you're drinking a bottle of vodka.
What? Actually, I have a wine bottle in my fridge that looks exactly like this.
So we're in a Halloween store that has Christmas stuff.
That's great.
And we are going to be doing a challenge, I guess, where we dress each other up as holiday something. So
I found your costume already.
perfect.
I think you can fit in there, right?
Oh my god, that's
Like a
amazing.
little gingerbread.
Oh my gosh. That is, it's like a
Perfect.
little gingerbread sleeping bag. It's so weird seeing Halloween stuff when it's
know, right?
not Halloween.
I guess it makes sense.
That is
for
so you,
LA.
Joey.
It is.
You definitely have the cleavage.
Please, Ingrid, please make me this. I've always wanted to.
These are pretty amazing right here. Although I feel like you could just get something like this at a normal store. So this is interesting that these are considered costumes. Father, I can see you through the aisle.
I can hear you. Where are you, Ingrid?
I can see you. What are you doing, you crazy old man?
My head again.
Grandfather, I'm over here.
Ingrid, I ran into some of my friends from when I was in high school.
High school? That was centuries ago. They're all dead. You're the only survivor.
Look at the golden canes, Ingrid.
Oh, Grandfather, you already have.
Stay back. Who are you? You stay back.
I am your granddaughter. What are you doing? Put that down. Stop being so violent.
You don't tell me what to do. Pimp stick. What's that?
That is what you are, the ultimate pimp.
I'm a pimp?
I have my supplies. What is happening?
What did you get?
I don't
I guess
know.
I'll find out, huh?
I guess you'll have to find out. What did you get?
You're in for a big treat. That's
Oh,
all I have
am
to
I?
say. Yep.
Am I?
I hope you're ready to be transformed.
I would flip my hair right now, but I can't because
Yeah.
I have both hands. So I'm just gonna go over here and pick up my umbrella then, I guess. Here we go. Yeah, but look at that shape. We're at this place for lunch called Royalty Florist because we're gonna be like Wolf and just eat a lot of flowers.
Wolf does love his flowers. Maybe I should get him some.
Yeah, I'm sure he would love a bouquet that he could devour. Look at your little mini muffin. You got one too. I wonder where you got that idea from, Joey.
My brain. You're the one who stole it from me. baby.
We got these little tiny baby muffins, and this is not our lunch. We're gonna be eating more. but I saw these and I was like, chocolate chip banana.
I know, I'm tempted right now to like eat it all
I mean,
at once in one bite.
It looks so little. Oh my god.
Yum!
And it's like nothing happened. Yum! Bananas! Some people are probably very confused about like all of these references.
I know, right?
But yes, this place is called Royal Florist, and I was confused.
Royalty Florist.
Oh.
Get it ready.
Royalty Florist, but they do make actual food aside from muffins. We both got chicken wraps.
Mm-hmm, they're really yummy.
And you got a smoothie?
Oh yeah, a Superman smoothie.
For those muscles. Well, look at these muscles. They're ultra soft.
Yeah, damn girl.
I can't even move in this. Look at that kale and the strawberries, but I think we really need to see this. We just shot half of the videos that we are shooting, meaning one, and here's a little sneaky peek for you guys. Are you ready?
Ah!
I did Joey's brows.
She
Look
dyed them and added extensions to them.
I think they look amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Should we just go out on the town tonight?
Yeah, duh, obviously.
Okay.
So if you guys ever need your brows done, you know who to call, because obviously I'm just such a master, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you would come to me again, right?
I have to go.
Wolf likes his makeover. He has red lips. You can't. Oh my god, look at this. I just see like a little butt scurrying away. Well, since you always want to poop on Nugget, can I poop on?
Yes, you can poop on him as many times as you want.
I can't wait
Yeah.
because I really have to go to the bathroom. Finished filming with Joey, and now I'm back with Casey. We are at the mall, and I don't know if you can tell what happened, but things happened with Joey, which is why I now look like this. But you can see my lips are still stained because of that lipstick. It's that one CoverGirl lipstick that stains my lips. We're going to Sephora because I need a few things, and I asked you guys about bronzer, so I'm going to go inspect some bronzer. Oh my god, there's a new Pottery Barn. T-Rex hands are necessary. Look how pretty it is. Look, there's just like a cute little old couple right there. Aww. Can somebody screenshot that and put like little hearts between them? Because that's what I'm envisioning right now. Am I weird? Yeah, well, I think we've already established that. Just checking out these foundations, and these are medium full coverage, luminous finish, normal dry skin, oil-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, and just in case you were planning on eating it, gluten-free. We're at Vons now, and I am carrying two of my favorite naked juices. I got very excited because they have my favorite, the Power C machine. Look, it looks like they're my babies. I'm just cradling them. But this is how I feel the need to hold them. And oh my gosh, my favorite granola is on sale, 2 for $6. Vons is the only one that has this granola, so I come to Vons specifically for the dark chocolate hazelnut heaven granola. It's so good. And when Tanya and Jim were visiting me, Tanya and I ate this every single day for breakfast, and I would make her a bowl with strawberries in it. So it makes me think of making granola for Tanya. So here is the prize for today's video. It is the Soap and Glory Full Clean Ahead, and you guys know I love Soap and Glory. And inside there is the Clean On Me body wash, which is one of my favorites, hand food, which I have loved for years. It's incredible. And the body butter, and all of these have the amazing Soap and Glory set, and they come in this cute little bag. And the rules are the same. You just have to make sure you follow me on Instagram. My username is ingrid.nilsen. Make an edit using screenshots from this Vlogmas video and post that edit using the hashtag Vlogmas. And that is it, my friends. That is all. All right, well, I am going to get going, and since you are seeing this on a Wednesday, that means that Threads airs tomorrow on Lifetime TV, so if you want to see me, you can watch me on Project Runway Threads. It comes on at 10 p.m. I need to go take a shower now because, as you can see, Joey just has me looking so fabulous here. I can't wait for you guys to see that video. I will see you guys mañana. Peace out.